Today, I'm going to show you how I saved over $3,300 by installing my windowsill myself. I got quotes from 2 different contractors, and their estimates averaged around $3,650 just to install the windowsill. I knew there had to be a cheaper way. So, I decided to take matters into my own hands. By doing it myself, I saved $3,315. I researched, planned, and made a list of all the materials I'd need. Here's a quick look at the entire installation process from start to finish. And here's the final result for the small and big windows. It looks just as good as the professional job would have. If you found this helpful and want to see the full installation process, check out my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder, or click the link below. Thanks for watching.